It's a taste of Greece, where Greeks and non-Greeks get to enjoy everything the culture has to offer with this 3-day festival here at St. Paul's Greek Orthodox Church in Irvine.
Come and experience our hospitality. Come and eat the food. Come see our church. There's nothing like it in Irvine.
We'll explore the church soon, but first the food. And let's dive into dessert first because it's more fun.
Baklava is quite a traditional dessert in our culture. It's been around for many years. It requires a lot of special talent to make it, as we use many layers of phyllo dough, sometimes even up to 30 layers with butter in between. It's a very rich dessert, and then we put shredded walnuts in it and syrup or honey, and it's a very popular dessert because our great-grandmothers and grandfathers used to bake it, and they've sort of passed it down to us traditionally over the years. And for those of us with a sweet tooth, it really has great significance because it's about the tastiest dessert around, frankly.
Aside from baklava, they make thousands of other pastries too.
We make approximately 12,000 pastries by hand here. Our parishioners volunteer, and we're so grateful for that. And so some of those pastries are in this variety pack that we are selling here today. And this way you get a sampling of some of the more popular Greek pastries. One of them would be this wonderful walnut cake called karidopita. It's moist and it has shredded walnuts on it. Another one would be a melomakarona, which has a mild orange syrup and some more shredded walnut, and the traditional kourambier, which is a sugar cookie that has powdered sugar on it.
From sweet to savory, let's back it up and see what people are loving as their main dish.
We just love Greek food, and so we said, we got to hit this.
The food is fantastic. The people are great. We got a beautiful day in Irvine today, so I mean, it doesn't get any better than this.
Oh, the lamb, of course, and the stuffed grape leaves. All Greeks, or I say most Greeks, lamb it's a must.
Not only I eat food that I'm used to, but I cook this food at home too. So it's pretty good. I can vouch for the quality.
For others, this is their first time at the festival.
Good food for starters, that's probably the obvious answer. But I love experiencing different cultures, and so I feel like you're getting a taste of something that perhaps you don't get to experience every single day. And you're getting to meet a lot of local individuals who just maybe have different upbringings than yourself. So it's fun, ask questions about why they're here, what their experience is. And yeah, just to kind of do something maybe different than you would do on a normal day.
So what has Maddie Weiss tasted that she recommends?
Okay, well, I'm a vegetarian, so my palate is a little selective. But I had the spanakopita, which was amazing. And forgive me, I don't know the Greek name, but I had the fried cheese pita item, and it was incredible. Probably the best thing I had so far.
With Maddie's recommendation, guess where we're headed?
And we are here at the Saganaki booth. Is that correct how you say it?
That's correct.
Okay,
Well done.
I've been practicing. And this is one of the most popular booths here because of the grand finale, but we'll save that for later. And John is going to take us through the whole formulating process of what goes into this. So let's start off here.
Okay. Well, saganaki is a classic Greek dish. It's cassetti cheese. It's sauteed in butter, but first we bathe the cassetti in some egg, saute it. After it gets nice and soft, we'll flame it with some brandy, gives it a little flavor and a good show. Squeeze some lemon over the top and serve it on a piece of pita bread.
Sounds great.
Okay? So this one's just about ready to go. So we're going to add the brandy now. When we do that, though, you need to say opa.
I'm ready.
Can you do that?
I can.
Okay. So here we go. You ready?
Ready.
Opa!
Woo! You feel the brandy and you feel that lemon just going right up. Nice.
There it is. There we go.
Very nice. Oh, let's take a look at that. Here.
More food booths to sample. Then it's time to do some dancing. And these teenagers are showing us how.
There's a couple of different dances. My favorite is the Kalamatino, and it's a 12-step dance. It's kind of fast, and it's like a party dance. You do it at weddings or just at events. but it represents the culture that this church has come from, and it's just really fun for the people to watch.
Music, dancing, singing, great food, and fun all around happening outside. Then inside, Father Stephen is offering tours to showcase the artistry and stories on the walls.
The church has mosaics, is filled with mosaics that are done in an ancient style that hasn't been replicated in over 1,000 years. It's the kind of beauty that you would see in very ancient churches in cities in Greece, cities in Turkey, but also a place like Rome, for example, where ancient Christian churches still survive.
There are 425 families that are part of this parish, most volunteering at this event and coming together to share their culture, a culture they are proud of. For Irvine Scene, I'm Jacqueline Twag.